Ti amo, meme mima. Loco, am loco. Ebare baby, pumula mamina. Ti amo, meme mima. Hi. Tan 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 tan. Ay.
Vice. Oh, beep.
Why sing mfana? No, we are singing Ti amo, meme mima. Baby pumula mamina. Loco, I'm loco. In some poison, what's happening, what's cooking on?
Boy,
What is cooking for you?
why is my life doing nonsense, boy?
Me,
Ooh,
I don't know. Like influence.
Go, keep rushing, man. Go, keep rushing, man. That's all. Why you got one? Yeah.
On another level. Then I get the milkshake, mundo. I get the milkshake, na.
Ntwana bile nna ya ka ke feditse.
Yeah. Otherwise, the long time no see, man, bafana, man. Hey,
Uno tlile last night mfana I went mfana go hola ka speed yo, but you had a baby face not so long ago, boy. Went the whole time man now, boy. But I'm ready to be an uncle, boy, if you understand what I'm saying.
Nah. Relax, dog. Relax.
Yeah?
Relax, not yet.
Who's this? Soniwilu. Kachufu, go dumedisa kachufu.
Hello.
You muted.
Umutile. Kanti uwe.
What do you mean, ngantinguwe?
Bengizibuza ukuthi snow bani loyo. Hey, awuzifihlile man.
No introduction, Xavier Motsiba, you're not when are you a bad person?
Wena mone o tlo shapisa motho wa tjola o motho a teng mo wena wa bua wa gasa. Yeah? Uhlekani?
I almost said something crazy.
Yeah, don't say the crazy thing that's on your thoughts. Do not say it.
How are you?
I'm fine, Katie.
No, I'm fine. And you? How do you pronounce your name?
How do you pronounce your name?
Hey, Wi-Fi.
Ntwana ke di Wi-Fi tsa ko Bryanston. A ke rona re dula mo Cosmo le mo Roodepoort. Our Wi-Fis are not the one. So the people that stay in Bryanston, their Wi-Fi is on another level.
Wrong turn.
Ngamang. Mfethu wena wawungagqokanga kanti kwenzakalani lapha? Yeah?
Hey, Mola, you're asking a valid question.
Pause. Anakusativa mfethu. Mthu apara umfethu.
We don't know much pisa ga motho o ntse a le live.
Ai, lori ke lona mfethu anakusativa. Let's go. Mthu apara ule mfethu.
Come on. Kanti on child fit. Who's that person? Is it
Remember Mall of Africa?
Oh, A45S?
Yeah.
Okay, nah, see.
Yeah.
I remember.
This got codes.
One dollar.
Yeah.
Nah, go told boy, go told. So can tell what's her name? Go Snowy.
Movie just Snowy. I guess she wrote her name is Snowy there.
Boy, was this like did she invite to Sasha's barking? Party barking 18 what?
I wasn't there.
I swear ka moon. Also, I need to skip a sack. I swear, bro. Like I'll show you in the video, but thing is,
Boy, she doesn't buy those things, dog. She's a high class girl, dog. You know, she.
I know what rain bafana. Really the low class event.
Yeah. Event ya usigna di skipper.
Don't you? But that's not papa side.
Hey, yape Mokele is the I wanna Mokele wale the aquarium. It's about the aquarium. The art gallery. Yeah. It's in sharp.
Right, that.
I don't it's a brag. I haven't seen a long
Oh no, le va when I find out of it.
Yeah?
No, le va Anton. Guys, let's get those likes. Let's get those likes, guys, to 2,000, 3,000, guys.
No, we put the flowers.
Chapella the flower, yo.
Yeah, put the flowers. Yeah, I need the flowers. My car is there sitting on the floor. I want to start it, so I don't have money. So put the flowers.
How's it sitting on the floor now, Chief?
What?
You said your car is sitting on the floor.
I can't go stand. I'm tired of verpaying every day where I go verpa. Yeah, no,
Boys, you must grow your TikTok, man. Like crazy, boy. Grow your TikTok, boy.
Now I'm building my YouTube.
Yeah, but Jay, man.
The car section. Like I'm gonna start doing cars. I'm gonna stop doing pranks. Your sister. And your sister. My sister asked me
about you 3 months back.
Yo. And me, I connected you a long time ago. Ti amo meme mima. Pare pumula mamina. Bruh, I can see there's people here. Amara, anyone? Look at this guy. This guy is paused. I'm no pause it.
My bad. I'm gonna make a share. I'm feed to people. My bad.
Hola.
Yo, ndala utira la page. Hola. Show braga ritamo.
Oh dear.
Yeah, utira la page man. Show I'm fit.
Brian. Tsepiso, Tsepiso.
This guy goes quiet. He goes mute. Guys, we are here to mix match. We are going to match people and help them love. Yep. Que control braga. We're not far. I'm not ruboni mun. Tla mo.
Light the camera, I'm fit to light the camera.
Hi. Wabona witsala no. Yeah. Netse mo edelang ba tlo ntshwarisa kerese mo live. Yo.
Ntwana, I will let her di chomi no Ntwana.
Ai gona leo. Impossible.
Ke a o jwetsa Ntwana.
Impossible.
Ke a o chaela Ntwana.
Ai, Buhle.
Hello.
You broke up with my friend.
Eish.
Like boy, imagine boy, break up all enough it's she like just after she does that boy, she fetches like a 16 Pro Max boy.
Snowy, these two you see these two people that are here on this live they are trolling and Bafana no goes through Bilaba. They are consuming us.
Snowy Oshapaka bombastic side eye.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal
offensive side eye.
Snowy's keeper on him fit. Hi Rifi.
Waperi no.
Sekagcokile manje. What so ugcokile fast so. Kahle kule live bo uphumile uyogcoka wena.
Yes.
Kanti, why? No, I'm answering here. What question did you think I was gonna ask?
Why are you gonna ask her why was she interested?
I was not gonna ask that, but anyways, let's go with that.
You see, you talk. You wanted me to say it.
Boy, guys, get this live to those likes to 1,000, guys.
Aibo, Snowy.
Yeah. Which one is this one? No, which one is this one? Yeah. How do you do this?
Why back Snowy? Why back Nkosi yami? Why Nkosi yami? Ah la la. Yeah.
Like it's more than what?
Okay, guys, wait. I want to ask you guys a question. You and Bushy. Why did you guys break up?
Boy, we kidding, boy. Why would I break up with Bushy, man?
Oh, niyajola.
Shatile. Mjolo opens doors for sin, bafana.
Yeah. Wena use-Bryanston wena usemtolweni njengamanje wena kudala nguma-live wakho.
Nangumuntu Snowy.
Hey.
Okay. The thing is, you can't even mute a person here. We're getting a mute who's even cool. Snowy, I have a question.
Mute again.
Were you there at Sasha's 18th birthday? What?
She wasn't there.
It was in
Temple.
Wait. Where's that location, Chief?
What?
The one where we practiced now. It was in Midrand.
Oh, Midrand.
Yeah. It was somewhere around Midrand. Were you there?
When?
She was never in Midrand. She didn't go.
Okay, never mind.
I keep on telling you the
looks
same
like you
thing.
there. I swear there's someone that
This
looks like
girl
you.
doesn't go to this YouTube thing where they sign t-shirts. No. She's a high-class girly. Even now, she's in Bryanston. You know where Bryanston is?
I know where Bryanston is, nigga.
Yes, she's in Bryanston.
Lying.
She's a high-class girly, dog. She does, like, aquarium dates.
Bushe, Muto is speaking from experience. Why are you saying this?
She does aquarium dates, Mall of Africa. And when I'm talking Mall of Africa, I'm not talking spare steers. No. I'm talking
Teach out your money.
Listen. I'm talking Boma Cream, Boma Fire Room, like those nice fancy restaurants.
No, this guy will call the channel. Is he talking the truth? Is he talking the truth, this guy?
Antola, the art galleries. Not the spare, no. That is not in her vocabulary.
Spare the ribs that in Rodiran.
Yamuzu kulmanga spare, Yamuzu. Aibo, Snow, we can't eat in Gandhi.
Bushe jole wena wa pause.
Pega umuhle kanjani mawungafanga lama filter lawa? Pega umuhle kanjani?
Hey man, what did you mix in your smoothie, bruh?
It's chocolate.
And what?
Chocolate and milk.
Just that?
Yeah.
Is that not a milkshake?
That's what I said. I said it's a milkshake. I don't know where he gets.
Let me see how it looks inside. Show me the camera inside.
It looks like Oreos.
It is Oreos.
Did you not say chocolate?
It's Oreos. It's the chocolate, yeah, Oreo. Hey, Shireen. How are you doing, Shireen? Long time no see. Hello.
Who's Shireen now, Chief?
Scam put on today.
Chief, I'm asking Shireen. How are you, Shireen?
Wawo. Get on Tamo live in
We are
Yaga.
on, boy, we are on the same live.
I'm gonna take you out of my life.
Snowy.
My life.
Hi.
Ay,
Tango.
izinja madoda.
Zinja matota. Liphi kusheshe. Shoti kusheshe manje.
Back to baddie. Look, when that filter goes out, she's a baddie again.
Busha, you must listen, ne? Guys, Snowy and Xavier, I have a question, ne? Busha, you listening?
Wow.
My man, it's not a sketch. Listen. Would you guys prefer a 14 Pro, right? With 256 GB, right? Or like an iPhone 15, 128
Mara
GB?
Braga, can't tell you. What's Braga. These are right or not? It's the phone.
Mona motho o batla phone mara mfeto o batla phone ya 128 mfeto.
So gona kena guy.
Thank you.
What's advice
Thank you.
Let me tell you, advice is buy the phone you want to buy.
Period.
Don't listen to this one. If you want a 15, get a 15. If you want a 14, get a 14.
You know, so
Snowy Nax.
Snowy icon. Snowy is ready for Halloween. She's ready for Halloween.
There is no Nali special needs.
All this special need. Twenty. Yini kanti sonepa ibhola mfethu ngakugcina uright manje sonepa ngakugcina uyibhele
manje ngcono selahlekile
manje so kwenzakalani ntwana anhlanhle why no botsa go Sherin ke mang mfethu
mangna ke mtsibi kutlile gore hello Sherin a jere
Sherin mfethu yeah skawara Sherin is Sherin
boy Stain
no
okay
what's dead oh no dog
hey lawyer Sandra Stain
no
amotseba wa ko scandal ntwana
yamtsiba tabara no mfana this one is on another level urula go she's schooling in what is this I'm trying to PE Port Elizabeth. She's a very ngahant dog, very ngahant.
Motho qalo kena live Snowy. Snowy wa to di bona ka ofela.
Snowy kena everyday live and I kena everyday live. Wait a tonati. Wenza kanje everyday maku live wena. Ke yona ntho mo krelang di hearts eo. Guys ne khopela leng gaeng di hearts lena ke be sharp ising di heart ba re keng di utse di flowers. The flower, ke khopela di flower le di gift le di something nyana like a gift nyana so that I can also gift myself. Guys, please. Yeah, le like him mo. Mara what's working? Buhle, kuzi indoda yakho. Indoda yakho.
I told you.
Naksatsiba. Emapele, put something. Okay. Sherin mo. She's gone. She's not here anymore. Mara what's working? Naksatsi. Motho ke o le ga o dlala ga dipele ka montle.
Ke mang?
E ka ba mang o mong gape.
Ke se KB.
Naksatsi.
So go dlala ka pele mfana.
O boreile mona.
I'm going to jab. With basic.
Okay, guys, this is the end of my live. Go join KT's live. Me, I'm going to bed, guys. Yeah.
I'm fine. My life doesn't want to be joined, boy. Like,
yeah, I'm glad it doesn't want to be
listen to this guy.
Yeah, are we going to do this more often or not really?
We must do it more often, boy.
Akuna Matara.
Boy, why is like your head? Why want to do TV
Yeah, just style, like fashion. Anyways, bye Sherin. The only important person here is Sherin.
Hey, man, no come true.
Bye Sherin. Have a good night's sleep. KT boy, Buhle KT uzokuthanda. Snowy. Snowy. Pendula pen. Boyfriend yakhe uzokuthanda yase Prime Steel. Done. Bye. How? Awunayo.
Mana sengicela ukuthi ningitholele
nami
i-date night.
ngiyabuza ukuthi awunayo na if unayo
Nayi
utshele
lapho
phela.
mos.
If awunayo
Nangu
usitshele
Ziko
sikufa
Shibani. Ungaye kude unangu Ziko. Nangu Ziko.
athi I'm fine alone phila alemputse mo sharp tloela ba se gore ke mo nna ke sa tseba go feta a re timing live wa tswana Snowy uthi umuntu naye noma unaye sikufunele fast
Ngifoneleni.
Tla maestro.
Funelene.
Shapa maestro.
ya gonala mara o ka fa motho ape o ka se fe motho ape maestro la le bana maestro is a father and I'm trying amfune thank yeah
Wavalelu maestro.
yeah ithi ngikufakela khona omunye umjita igama lakhe
Lang beg.
lalela igama lakhe bathi uSherlock nang uqeda ukungena ngiyangikunikeza lo
As mutane thina bafethu as mutane. Buhlari mute
yeah khulumani ke ni sote out le ndaba maybe uzokuthengela ice cream cream
Hare mute. Brayaga. Ginsang.
ne wa gasa man la Emneka skipper se orange bosiu skipper se yellow bosiu skipper se yellow at night
Oh,
a yellow skipper at braga modimo wami oh modi unganolo thabile no she's gone that girl is gone because you are wearing a yellow skipper at night and the west part you're wearing a yellow skipper listen she's even saying good night now because you are wearing a meridian yellow skipper a meridian yellow buhle wa join na
Yo, buhle
No, but ANC, guys.
Yo, that's what I'm saying. What join alwena ka ANC. Ntwana, that girl is gone.
Why it's in Nakabala? That's
She's gone.
Boy,
Gone.
you in Matric, boy.
ANC and Meridian. Bafana. Even worse.
Yo.
Wakuluma upalesa what even worse. ANC.
Guys, if you're wearing a
ANC.
yellow t-shirt, if you're wearing a yellow
What's
t-shirt,
all
go,
the
come
knacks
join or wear a yellow t-shirt and join.
Ntwana, you fumbled on your own because you are wearing a yellow skipper at night and you are wearing we're now ANC member please when a skipper yellow ebusuku
Papa, pasadi.
mfethu ukawala ka skipper sa
What's
skolo
wrong?
braga nakusathiwa
Boy, let it be motivation, boy.
Akarobala, busy.
Wabala,
tsamobala wa tshwana o na ntho e tletseng mo wa tshwana
Wabo.
ka gore re rofa Snowy no wa sa o nyaka ka gore wena wa pege skipper sa Meridian
Ubuhle, we comrade, yo.
Snowy
Yeah. Mina ngithi buhle uyi-comrade. Ubuhle ulinde ukuthi hey ku-ANC kwenzakalani avele avuke nje bayotoyitoya.
Yo.
Share na Snowy nang lo share
Yeah, and no busy. He's busy chasing his yo.
Ivale mfana. Okay, boy, sorry, boy. They curbed you. It's time, boy.
You know,
They curbed you. It's time. So good night, boy. We will find you another person.
Let this be motivation. Ungalali ntwana namhlanje. To study, make sure ntwana study. Let it boost you, boy.
All right, good night, my boy. Poison. Good luck for your maths exam.
always.
Thank you very much. Upasa boy, wafela la nyeka sa kuthola lo muntu.
Ntwana shy matric ntwana.
Yeah?
You in matric?
Yeah, I'm doing matric.
Allah. Boy, good night, boy. Good night, Poison. Go study, ne?
I always.
Sure, boy.
Just sure.
Hey, Xavier wrong feet on father. Ntwana wa bua o lo soma ka mfethu.
Hayi ntwana batle mo matriculant mo ke rape phela ntho matriculant and this one is rape. Rape tla rape ke rape ntho.
Yebo mina
Yeah, yeah.
mina ngisakhona.
Boy, did you see this?
Ubani wena? Wena ungazucamba manga la kule channel. So keep la kule live. Utufuna grade 9 pussy whiskey.
It's coke.
Yewe enza so isandla, enza so. Ngethathu ebhale Mavesta. Wena ngazodlala ngathi wena. Mdala kabi for lento eyenzayo. Ufunda 4th year wena. So uyaqeda is your last year. Utshela abanye abantwana ukuthi wena ufunda grade 9. Yini sofuna ba rapist?
Kanti mina ngingathi
He knows her target, chief. Ufuna ukutargeta
Okay, khona amantombazana kule live. Khona ufuna amantombazana.
mina ngakhi umnyaka
Wena
ngiyenza
una 22.
Guys, do I really look that old?
Wena yazi ngizokushaya wena.
Wait.
Akuse yakho le ID wena. Okay,
It is
asibone age.
buyela ku information tibo.
Asibone
You can
phela.
see. You think bo?
Asibone.
Not the picture. Wena let's talk
Hey, I'm
about
finally the picture you ate. 2006.
4, chief. Get 6. Let me see. No. Turn your camera again.
Ah, so bosho.
Get 4.
Emnegi 6.
Let me see. 10. And it's 6. 8 December.
Hayi so bosho. Mfana uyibheri mfana ngalesithombe sakho. Uyibheri mfana, you made sure.
Wait. I can tell you why. I can tell you why her picture came out. We look like truck drivers. When you which home affairs did you go to? Which home affairs did you go to?
The one here in Santon.
Nice. That is why.
Emna something. If she's a 2006, ne? Emanya put something. Urauri, you are 19.
Yep.
I'm turning 19.
When?
Kadi 8
On the 8th of
December.
December.
Hey, nangu munyangena smara your body.
I was 15 or 16 days.
Tronco! Maka ungitshelanga wena Sathani awungitshelanga wena uthe wena una 18 wena.
Xavier, wena mfana ka tshontshe go investigate wena. Ngikufonela amaphoyisa.
Hayi saboshwa nkosi yami. Soboshwa.
Tshontshe go biletsa maponisa wena. Buhle.
Angeke saphela nkosi yami.
Xavier na le story Xavier. So that means that last year you were 17, right? And the year before you were 16, and that year is oh Jesus.
Oh nkosi yami. Hayi, ungijayile wena matsebo.
Buhle o borile mo buhle etsa mo.
Buhle.
Yeah.
It's a Bobby Chronic Hands. It's a Bobby Chronic Hands time to jail now. Jail.
O ring mon.
Guys, before you go out on a date with someone or something, you guys must investigate on their phone and ask them for their ID picture.
Buhle Xavier ba mo
How old are you?
Yeah?
How old are you?
22.
Do you know what's crazy? Do you know that Xavier umfeta ka a few months?
27, kahle. 27. Hey. Cloud
Isn't
27.
April 25?
Let's keep it at that. He looks 25.
Yeah, I'm 25, guys. No, I was playing, guys. No, I was playing. I'm 25, dog.
How old are you? Oh, the same age.
She's lying. She's lying. She's lying.
She is actually, I swear.
Hey,
Guys,
when?
she is.
Then you're a pedophile. You are a pedophile.
When I son, don't even start.
When?
When I don't even start. Snowy, when I don't even start. Snowy,
When? Pedophile.
Snowy, let me see your face.
When niyachola nina.
Snowy, how old were you? That's only. How old were you when?
Bena, except braga, manyana braga. Kanigi kan. When I
So
was
when I was
certified
manyana, I'll
pedophile,
meet you in the
usachola
cells.
liya namthu.
Yeah,
Usachola liya namthu laleng 16.
ma, 16.
When?
Only 16 muto.
What's it working? Ntana re tlo tshwara mo lefatsheng la South Africa modimo. Yazi wena uzongibophisa ngamaphoyisa wena.
Bengithi ID bekumele ngenze njani bengizokhomba yiphi because bekumele ngikhiphe isitifiketi.
So manje Snowy, did Xavier tell you his like a true age from like?
Yes, I did.
Fuck, I don't know.
So yeah,
She forgot because she was thinking that. What's it working? Mara sharp.
Bengi
Snowy. Mara sharp Snowy. So iqeda kuma-comment section.
Kuma DM la.
Kuma DMs.
Kuma DM.
Post DM. So my hire in the DM. Guys, anyone who's lesbian here who I can pass Snowy.
Guys,
you
even
want
anyone
girls
who's
or you don't
lesbian, I
want
can
girls,
pass.
you want men.
Anyone who's lesbian,
Snowy. Snowy.
yes.
Kuluma phela, what do you want? Do you want guys or you want females?
Kina magay.
Nang UKT is taban nang.
Ay.
Ivale mfat.
Okay, ngabuthi.
Okay, I'm suggesting a guy here. I'm gonna try add him there if he comes to
What
the live.
is doing?
If he doesn't come, then he doesn't
come.
come. I'm just picking random people here.
Snowy, I feel like scams.
Ngiyadala guys
Uyachola ngithi.
No.
Unamanga.
Anathi ukuthi una relationship uhlanganiselwa futhi akagcini kuphela kahle.
Ne, okay,
Ngiyangihlanganisela.
Singakuhlanga uzosihlanganisela wena.
Yes.
Okay, le waka.
When I don't since now you told us your real age, now I don't trust you because even the bros worried that now you didn't know your real age when
I'm father. Me, I got played there, boy.
No, we don't trust you to hlanganisa for yourself.
But luckily, we didn't date. It was just a date. You see, like we just went out on a date. Okusalayo in wena. Anyways, guys, bye-bye. Me, I'm ending my live. It was a very nice live. Thank you guys for joining. Hopefully, I will see you guys soon again in the next live. In manj.
Yeah, Snowy have to end our life.
Snowy, in ungikumbulile. Yeah.
Buhle batho ba ba blusha. Bona ba blushisa on the call. Ba tshwarisa kerese.
No.
Okay. Snowy. Listen.
Snowy,
can I ask Snowy? Can I ask?
So kuluma ke.
I can ask anything, ne?
Yeah.
I'm not skabutsa ka sekgowa man.
Sharp boy.
Ubutsa ka Zulu.
Ke mmotse ka Zulu.
Hey.
Okay, lalela again, ne? Emona Zulu ke CBCC hantle feel. Okay, lalela.
Botsa ke tla translate.
Yini into ongayithandi ngalo mjita lo.
Ukuthi disappeared.
You.
What?
He disappeared.
Ngi Ghosty, lama Ghosty. Danko. Bye bye. Guys, ngithende lamaflower lapha man ngikwazi ukuthenga lo KT imoto. KT's car is alive but it's not alive. So we need to
Chief,
buy
that guy's giving me problems now,
Can you
Chief.
guys please send flowers there?
Yes, itolo like mangibona laphaya ukuthi live engqondweni yami solo active next and being live angazi solo angiboni angiboni
I understand.
uvuke kufeni
Mavuke kufeni, mavuke kufeni mina.
Mfana, can we see your hair, boy?
No.
I said, please, boy, can we see your hair, boy?
No. You can't see my hair. My hair is messed up, though. No. Just because you cut your hair, now you want to now.
Wait, my hair's not even cut, eh?
Please do not. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for joining the live. Muti, let's know it.
ngifuna ukubona yakabuhle
Butle, keep it on it.
Motho ga le crust ye.
ha o kgonahale
I can't. It's not possible that one.
Mfana o etse hape ntwele ya o ya mbia letso ha o etse hape ya ikgona.
yenza phela
Tana etsa ka letso le leng le no ntse ka lona. Ai mfana letso la mfana ka re toothpick mfana. Sandla se toothpick.
Hlobola ka tiba eo re tsale re bua.
Ai khona le.
ngathi chicken
Ba re ngaro chicken wing mfana.
La papa la lili chu. Yes.
Ebathi 60 ngapha, 30 ngapha, mahala ngapha. Ebathi nika.
Bafethu, second half. Live.
Alright, I'm out, guys. Enjoy your guys' evening. I mean, morning, I guess, since it's in the morning. I'm not coming to church. I have my own church. This man.
Okay, sharp. Where's your church? Give me the location, guys.
It's at my house.
At your house?
Yeah, it's at my house.
It's
It's at my house.
It's at your house, Ganja, not you.
At my house, you come, I play gospel, then we sing, then you go home.
22 more bunny it is.
Wabo.
no bro
Can I show you guys something? Can I show you guys how I look on my ID?
Kitima live.
bro
Bye guys, thank you very much, ne? I really appreciate you guys joining my live. Yeah?
ngifuna ukubona le idea ngithi drive ama truck
Asibonisa ID yak.
Thena kanjani le nto le?
yo
Looks like Roberto. You know who's Roberto?
Yes, chief. Okay, hold on.
I'm not team like camera, Muswena.
I got my camera. I'm still tuning. Hold on.
Nigga.
My baby.
Hi, bad.
It's bad, bro.
Teti ngapa, mahala ngapa. Okay, guys.
Exact.
Now yolala guys, good night. Sin lalen gahle. In Afrikaans wat sie lekker slap môre gesien. Dankie.
Alright.